Hi everyone, it's Wednesday, March 25th. Okay, today in your math packet, you'll do page 6, more work with factors and multiples. You will do page 14, and that is continuing our work with partial quotients division. Remember that every week you will have freckle assignments. You can always do more, but please do at least the assignments that I put on there for the week. Your optional enrichment is 2-step story problems. They are tricky, so take your time and just do your best if you want to work on the enrichment. Science, you are finishing the first law, inertia, reading passage and questions that were attached earlier this week. And we have some exciting things coming up this week on Friday. So look forward to Friday's email with 2 special things we have going on for the 4th grade. All right. Try to get outside and get some fresh air. Of course, with the permission of your parents, go for a walk or ride your bike. Try your best. Keep working hard. I know you're doing well, and I will see you tomorrow.